All right, let's get into another trading session. I think this YouTube channel is literally just gonna be about trading sessions. Anyways, last session was 100% profit. So let's get into another one. So if you're interested in learning how I trade and what I goes through my mind when I'm taking trades and just overall how I execute on price action, then this is the session and video for you. Can we get a normal date? 2021. This is September. I'm not trading in September though. Um, I'll trade March 2021. Okay, let's get it. So completely random date. Obviously, I just picked the month because I don't want to trade in September. Like price action is literally dead in September. I'm gonna get nothing. Okay. All right. First of all, daily profile. What are we looking at? So we see that price. Okay. So if we want to go lower, we're probably gonna have to come take out this high, which is also equal highs. That's very strong. Okay. Okay, first of all, new day open. Please don't take out this high. Okay, we didn't. Ooh, this is very nice. This is a very beautiful New York open. Very beautiful New York open. Okay, so we have this fair value gap above. This is internal liquidity, which we have to take out if we want to reject off and continue lower. On top of it, on the 4-hour time frame, what are we doing? We are rejecting right here on to discount at the range, also tapping its size fair value gap. Very beautiful. Go down on the hourly. Ooh, please give me a trade. This looks beautiful. Are we gonna get a trade entry though? Uh, there was a nice pre-market here. Give me a trade entry, please. Come tap inside of this 15. Respect it. No, no, no. I said respect it. I said respect it. Respect it. No. Come on. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? No, this is too nice to want to skip, man. Bro, this is very nice. This is very nice. I can't skip this, man. We can get this inversion. Or not. Oh my god, bro. This was so nice. This was a beautiful trade. But of course it doesn't work out for us. That would have been beautiful to start off the session. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be distributing lower now. We're pushing, we're pushing, we're pushing. Inversion, very nice. Do we have any draws lower though? That's the real question. And we really don't have any nice draws lower. We have these relative equals over here. That is like a 600-point move. We have this lows. 4-hour time frame, we have nothing. Hourly time frame, we have trendline liquidity. Is there anything though in 30-minute at least? There's nothing. This looks nice though. This looks really nice. Looks like very nice shorts, honestly. I'm just scared we come back up to retrace inside of this gap. We do have a new day opening gap though, actually. Yeah, I'll take this then. That's break even. Yeah. And we're gonna come lower to take out the new day opening gap. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, bro. Like, are we just gonna wick it? Like, what are you doing? Is it gonna give us another entry? It won't. Okay. That's crazy though. That would have stopped me out. Break even. Okay, so we had a new week opening gap. That was honestly the main reason why I took this trade. That was just pure obvious. I don't think we're gonna get anything here. So we're just going new session right away. Okay, so we're coming lower. Okay, yeah, we ended up taking both those zones out. So now we literally just have these relative equals down here, which is honestly not that far away, about 200 points. 4-hour time frame. What are we looking at? 4-hour time frame. Crazy gap. Wow. Obviously very bearish. I think bearish is definitely the move today. Might just be a manipulation here and then overall bearish move. Yeah. See if we can even get an entry though. Doesn't look like it though. We need a crazy retrace now. Okay. We're not going to respect it though. No, we're not going to even respect it. Yeah, that's not a session I'd want to be trading. Bro, we took it. God damn it. We took it overnight. We ended up taking it overnight, bro. That's annoying. Okay. Still want to be bearish over here. 10 o'clock is really going to tell us whether we're bullish or bearish. I want to be bearish, honestly. What are we doing? It's 10 o'clock. Obviously, we wicked that, so we are bearish today. I don't want to see any form of longs getting put in place over here. We're not going to get anything. Wow, okay. Zero entry. And we took out the zone. Why are we taking out zones without me? Oh, wait, no, this was 11 o'clock. So that's pretty much the second I just clicked new day open. There's literally no entries, though. Okay, do we have any other zones lower? We have these relative equals. This is so far away. Okay, we're gonna hit that in like a month from now. Okay, come on. There's a possibility. Possibility I don't want that to happen, actually. I'll take that back. Actually, no, I lied. If we come up higher, sweeping out this liquidity, also the daily liquidity, then you can definitely see a push lower. especially as of right now. Kind of looking bullish over here. 10 o'clock is going to tell us if we're bullish or bearish. I might want to be on the bullish side, to be completely honest, though. Okay, that's nice. Wait, no. I'm lying. That's not nice. Wait, no, I am lying. That is nice. That is nice. 1, 2, 3. 15 minutes left. Use it as relative equals as draw on liquidity. Session profiles on our side. 15-minute literally runaway. 30-minute runaway as well. And we have that 5-minute inversion. Kind of a late entry, I'll be honest though. But this just looks really bullish. I don't want to leave behind this move. Don't you dare, bro. Are you serious? I'm gonna just exit half a position over here. Come on. This would be my break even over here. Yeah. Don't stop me out of break even. Of course you will. Oh, bro, such a beautiful trade, and we literally just got chopped around. Wow, we actually just got chopped. Like, we actually just got abused right there. I hope you understand the seriousness behind this. Yeah. Valid break even. Okay. Daily time frame. Like, I don't condone that behavior, Nasdaq. But damn. Okay. Kind of neutral. Kind of just a little chop fest. Like a little festival. Getting played by a clown. I don't know if we want to be longing over here, bro. But Nasdaq, what are you doing? Nasdaq, what are you doing? Are you sure you want to be going in a long position? Are you sure right now? Are you sure right now? You are sure, actually. You are pretty sure, actually. Any form of a retrace. Any form of a retrace, please. Again, bro, same thing we got last session. We're getting it here again. Do I trust it, though? Or am I going to get hurt in my feelings again? uh, this is like A plus. No, this was A. This is A rated for sure. I wouldn't give it A plus rating. Yeah, definitely not. I wouldn't give it A plus rating. I would enter with like very low risk, honestly. This would be a very low risk trade. Honestly, I'd like to go break even here since we made this high, got pushed below. We shouldn't want to come back lower. Yeah, either way, I would have got stopped at a break even. I would have went break even at this high. Nasdaq, what are you doing to me, man? And we end up taking that daily gap. So I want to be okay. We're actually pushing through it. I'm quite surprised. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, no, actually though. Okay, so daily gap, we're just playing inside this gap right now, actually. 4 hour, we're rejecting off. We look pretty bullish, but we also have this bearish gap, so I can see the same thing other way around. Hourly time frame, we're pushing higher. London took out Asia high and low, so you already know this is gonna be a one chopped session. Let's get right into it. This is gonna be a one choppy Ayasado. Okay. Are we taking these longs? Who's with me? I am all alone because this is a crazy gap above. Wow. I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna skip this trade. Thank you for listening, Alexander. W fade. But this might be a W trade. If we can get an entry. We don't believe in entries. We don't believe in entries, do we? Yeah. 11 o'clock. Next session. Bro, we're literally just playing inside of this gap, man. Hey, wait. The 50% win rate. Did I lose a trade? I did lose a trade. Damn. Okay, well, that's gonna be that. Up 1.2. I'll take it. So yeah, 3 trades, 1 loss, 1 TP, and 1 break even. What can you do? But if you guys do want to learn how I trade more in depth on my strategy, and very one-on-one calls that where I teach you how to actually trade, that is linked, first link in the description. So if you're interested, go check that out. And I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Leave a like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. And yeah, I also got some broker links down below.